Hello everyone. Today is a special day for our channel. We've reached 1,000 subscribers. Just 9 months ago, we embarked on a mission to guide you through beginning your journey in IT with the latest technologies. Our aim has always been to navigate together through the rapidly evolving landscape of information technology, and reaching this milestone is a testament to the strength and engagement of our community. In this journey, we've been committed to showing you not only what to learn but also what you can afford to skip, given the fast-paced advancements in IT. Our goal is to ensure you stay current and ahead in your career, and we've focused on several key areas to help you achieve just that. Continuous learning. We've emphasized the importance of lifelong learning, introducing you to cutting-edge technologies and methodologies. The IT field never stands still, and neither should we. We've shared resources, courses, and certifications that can propel you forward. Community engagement. Our discussions, comments, and interactions have created a vibrant community. Sharing insights, asking questions, and supporting each other have been the cornerstone of our growth. Hands-on experience. We've showcased practical projects and hands-on experiences to apply what you've learned. Real-world application is crucial to understanding and mastering new technologies. Networking. We've highlighted the power of connecting with fellow IT professionals, industry leaders, and enthusiasts. Networking opens up new opportunities and broadens our horizons. Mentorship. Whether you're seeking guidance or offering it to newcomers, mentorship has been a key focus. Learning from those who've walked the path before us accelerates our growth and prepares us for challenges ahead. This milestone belongs to all of us. Your engagement, curiosity, and passion for learning have made this community what it is. As we look forward to the journey ahead, our commitment to you remains stronger than ever. Here's to many more milestones together. Thank you for being a part of our channel's story, and let's continue to explore, learn, and grow together. Thank you, each and every one of you, for your support, engagement, and for being part of our growing community. Here's to the next 1,000 and beyond. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you have topics or technologies you're curious about, drop a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going.